modern engines, constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and engineering. Smaller, ultra-efficient, and more environmentally friendly, without sacrificing performance. The intense pressures in today's engines cause friction. Friction that can waste up to 10% of an engine's performance. To combat this, Castrol Edge with fluid titanium transforms the oil structure to be stronger under pressure, to keep metal apart and reduce performance-robbing friction. Unlock the true performance of your engine. Castrol Edge, stronger under pressure.